Alam niyo, you're blessed. You're so blessed. Bakit? Nakita ko po ang development ng Rizal 30 years ago, 40 years ago. Sinimulan sa kalye, dilaparan. Sabi ko, paano gagawin ito lalaparan mo? Sigsag. Pero yung imposible ginawa. Nakita ko yung mga pailaw ninyo. Nakita ko pumano ang negosyo dito. Talagang ibang klase. Because for me, a true leader is not about authority. A true leader is getting out. And it's not only inspiring, but making sure that good governance is really from each and every grassroots. Yung po nangyari rito sa Rizal. Magbuhay kayo lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Maraming salamat po.